DPP Automatic Aluminum Plastic Bubble Cap Packing Machine is a high-tech product in domestic leading level, which integrates the control of frequency conversion, servo control, electricity, air, and water, and strictly complies with the design requirement standard of GMP and pharmaceuticals industry. This machine adopts open-type layout structure and platform enclosed protective isolation. Visibility is good. The operation is more safe and convenient. This machine adopts high-end PLC to control operation with instructions on touchscreen, digital display in both Chinese and English. It has the characteristics of quick replacement mode, micro-edge blanking, and infinite frequency conversion, and speed governing, and many others. The particular traction structure, combined with high-precision servo and traction control, make it can operate perfectly under high-speed state. The particular PVC material platform and uncoil, whose diameter can reach 500 mm, can be carried into directly without any fixation. It can also realize the direct feeding under the state with no downtime to ensure the machine to operate the high yield. The particular PTP operational platform of stock supporting makes heat seal and traction more stable and reliable. The particular rectangular design of mode and trapezoid positioning make the changing of mode more convenient and efficient. The changing of mode can be debugged and finished within 10 to 30 minutes. The particular changing operation platform greatly enhances the convenience and reliability of operation, thus save the human and material resources used to debug machine. The function of DPP Automatic Aluminum Plastic Bubble Cap Packing Machine is advanced. The operation is convenient. The yield is high and can reach 80 gig frequencies per minute. It is the most ideal packing equipment of large and medium-sized enterprise.